This is Borujerdi Historical House in Kashan. All you need to do, just look up, look at the ceiling. This is Mogarnas Kari. When you enter the house, first you see the hashti, then you go to the main yard. The Borujerdi House is a historical house museum in Kashan in Iran. It was built in 1857 for the bride of Borujerdi, a wealthy merchant. The bride came from the family called Tabatabaei family, for whom the architect had built a nearby Tabatabaei house several years earlier, which you will see the Tabatabaei house in this video too. The Borujerdi house consists of a biruni, which is exterior or public area, and andaruni, which is interior or private area, including a country yard with a fountain pool and two-story Ivan. Ivan is balcony. 3 40-meter tall wind catchers are erected on top of the house. The house is decorated with glasswork and mirrorwork, and also frescoes by prominent painter, the great Kamal al-Mulk. Almost 150 architecture and also artists were collaborated in order to build this house. That's really amazing work. Years ago, there was a man, Sayyid Hassan, who fell in love with a daughter of a wealthy family, Tabatabaei. They said, if you want to marry my daughter, you have to build a grand house nearby our house, and then you can take her to your house. And it took 18 years to build the Borujerdi house for them, and they started their life in this house. These geometrical shapes that you see on the ceiling are called mogarnas. Mogarnas is a form of decorated vaulting in Islamic architecture. It is the archetypal form of Islamic architecture, integral to the vernacular of Islamic buildings. The mogarnas structure originated from the squinch, sometimes called honeycomb vaulting or stalactite vaulting. The purpose of mogarnas is to create a smooth, decorative zone of transition in an otherwise bare structural space. This structure gives the ability to distinguish between the main part of the building and serve as a transition from the walls of the room into the domed ceiling. The etymology of the word mogarnas is somewhat vague. It is thought to have originated from the Greek word cornice, meaning ornamental molding. There is also speculation of the origin of stem from the Arabic word cornice, meaning intricate work. It is related to Armenic, meaning hammering. And this is the wall of the entrance behind the camera. Look at them, they design everywhere. The house has a winter part and summer part. It means people live in the winter area in the winter season, which has better access to sunlight and it's warmer to live there. And they live in colder area in summer, which has wind catchers. And now let's go visiting the Tabatabaei Historical House, which is the older one. My motorcycle got a friend. This is foyer. We call it Hashti. I'll tell you what is it. چه خلوت‌تره. وای من. The Tabatabaei House is a historic house museum in Kashan, Iran. It was built around 1880 during the reign of Qajar dynasty for the Tabatabaei family. It is one of the prominent historic houses of Kashan and Iran, together with the Ameri House and Borujerdi House and others. This is one of the basements which has the cooler atmosphere compared to the surface and best place for summer time. Let's go visit the backyard.
اینا نماد یخچال‌های قدیم کاشانه. یخچال‌های قدیم کاشان هم بزرگاش الان می‌بینید هم کجا هسته هم اینجا. در یخچال‌های قدیم دست شما را یخچال‌های قدیم همینجوری که می‌بینید و به این صورت نماد سفالیه، ولی در اصل از همه سیمان و از چیز داشته ساروج اینا. در زمستان یه خبر در زمستان یه برف رو جمع می‌کردن و در تابستان به عنوان آب یخ استفاده. نصف این قسمت در داخل خاک بوده، نصفش بیرون.
یخ و برف رو می‌کردن تو این خونه.
جای اگر قشنگ نگاه کنید پله می‌خوره دور تا دورش میاد بالا و پله خور داشته. اون اونجا هست. اون بزرگی مشخص پله خور هم داره جاش.
What you see in this room is windows with colored glasses and also designed ceiling and walls. The rooms are connected together with small halls and doors in order to have an integrated atmosphere. Can you see the ceiling design? It's like an Iranian carpet. That's because the owner of the house was the Iranian carpet dealer and who decided to use Iranian carpet design on the wall and ceiling of this house. And here is another backyard with spectacular design all around and a small, simple pool. This is the Panj-dari, one of the most beautiful rooms in this house. There are 5 doors in front of you, which is Panj-dari, and other windows are designed by colored glasses. The ceiling, which is mughannaz-kari. And this is another backyard, which is another andaruni, and you can have access to other rooms. This is called Se-dari, or 3 doors room. As you can see, there are 3 windows like doors in front of you, designed by colored glasses, which made this room so beautiful.